I'm going to show you a simple, quick trick that you can do to your junk removal website to help it rank better on Google. Super simple fix you could do in about 5 minutes. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. What's up there, guys? This is here once again with Do-It-Yourself Junk Removal SEO, where it helps junk removal business owners, small businesses, understand search engine optimization, the internet, and getting their business found online. And today I want to discuss a mistake that I see so very often, even after 6-7 years of really doing SEO, website design, all that stuff. A big mistake that I constantly see online, not just with junk removal, but just small businesses in general. And it's a simple fix that anybody can do, no matter what website builder you're using, whether it's Wix, Weebly, WordPress. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. But I would make you guys understand exactly how it is that Google's search engine works. I see a lot of businesses start and build a website, a junk removal business, a concrete contractor. It doesn't matter. They just end up getting somebody to build a website, or just by their own ideas what they think a website should be set up. They design a website, but they fail to add the meta description and the meta title to that website. Now, why is that super important? So let me explain how Google's search actually works. It's pretty fascinating. And what ends up happening, let's say I decided to do a search term for wedding venues in San Jose. As soon as I type that specific search term into the Google search toolbar, what happens as soon as I hit enter, what Google's little brain, its algorithm, the whole system, how it's all designed, is that what it does, it starts to take all the pages that it has indexed on its search console and start to file all the pages for that specific search term, wedding venues in San Jose. So it creates a gigantic filing cabinet, gigantic file for that specific term with websites stacked into that filing cabinet based on what Google deems it to be more worthy, more important, more valuable to the end user. So that's what it does. So when people create a website, one of the very first things they have to do, and it's very important, is to label your website correctly, just like the file in a filing cabinet. If you have a file in a filing cabinet and that file has no title on it whatsoever, or has the incorrect one, then when Google does a search, it starts to form that file, it doesn't see what that tab is. It'll just flat out just ignore that website, throw it to the side, and favor another one, because Google's trying to work quickly and put in the file that makes the most sense for the end user. So if you built your junk removal website, the very first thing you need to do is really try to understand where it is that you're trying to be found. So if you are junk removal in San Jose, you have to make sure you title that page specifically junk removal San Jose, junk removal services San Jose, that sort of thing. So when anybody ever types that in, junk removal in San Jose, your file will be part of that filing cabinet of files of websites for that particular search term. So let me show you exactly how to fix your title tag and your meta description on your website. So here's how you do it for like Wix. Like I said, every single website has somewhere in the way you built it, there's the option for you to change your title tag and your meta description of your site. So here's, for example, for Wix. On Wix, you go into your pages here. I believe it was pages and menu. All right, you click on that tab. So this is the home page. You see the little 3 dots. It says SEO Basics. All right, you click on that, and this is your title tag right here, Asphalt Paving, Prescott Valley, and this is your meta description. And notice what we did is that we built this website to be found for Asphalt Paving, Prescott Valley. This is somewhere in Arizona. So we made sure that the words are in there as well as in the description. Asphalt Paving in Prescott Valley, Arizona. So now when somebody does that search, like I spoke earlier, as soon as I put this into the search results, into the search bar, type that in, Google just created that file, set up all those websites lined up according to that search term, and there you go. His business is sitting in the Google business, the map listing, and there it is, sitting right there, Asphalt Paving Prescott Valley. So that's one of the things you have to do on that one. Now let's go to a different one. Now with WordPress, it's a little bit different, but the option is still there. You have to upload a plugin called Yoast SEO. It's the one I use across the board for everything. So you just go into your dashboard, right? There's Yoast SEO. Once you have that set up, just click on that. All your pages. So let's go to the home page. Quick edit here. And it should be at the bottom here. Yoast SEO, right? So this is where you change your title tag and your meta description. So what do we want to be found for? This guy is a concrete contractor out in the Bay Area. So I said, dude, let's do the wording so you can be found for Bay Area concrete contractor. Where somebody types that in, creates that file, your website's going to file according to that search term. So SEO title, Bay Area concrete contractor, SDW construction, and then this meta description. We are the Bay Area contractor residents, business owners count on for quality work. See, I put it in both right there. So now, when you do a search, go ahead and if you want, you can do it right now on your computer. Concrete contractor in Bay Area. You hit search. There's this business right here, number 3 on the search results because we titled it correctly. I'll give you one more example. The last example here is Weebly, another website builder. This is one I started with 7 years ago. It's garbage. I don't like it at all. But I'm just showing you this as an example because this has the option. Every website builder has that same option. So this is the home page, right? So you go into the home page. There's an option right here. You tap on that and you'll see SEO settings. Click on that bad boy. And again, there's the page title, Salinas Valley Junk Removal, right? So we have Salinas and then junk removal in that title, somewhere in that title. Same thing here in the description, junk removal Salinas, California. So now when somebody types in junk removal Salinas, that search term creates that file, creates all these pages inside that file. Now Google's going to look for pages with that title and the meta description to place into that file. And there you go. You'll see their website's here in the number 2 spot for that section. There you have it. The absolute bare bones basic SEO thing that anybody can do to their website and do it in about 5 minutes. And what this does, it just gives you a fighting chance. It gets the ball rolling, get things going to give your website a fighting chance to start getting found in the search results. Is that all it's going to take? Absolutely not. There's a lot more to it. You got content, backlinks, citations, all the stuff that you need to implement, adding more content, all that stuff that goes into it as well. But just getting the basic stuff, getting your website filed in that search drawer of Google for the search term that you want to be found for, getting that title tag and a meta description is the first step to it all. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. If you guys want to know more about my services, my website design, SEO, Google Ads, just click on the link below in the description of the video, and that's all I got for you guys today. Till next time.